I don't want to study.
I think you should focus on your study. Film line or drama industry is not a good place.
It's my dream.
Okay, leave it now. Our English class has been started. I am going to take class. Will you attend?
You go. I am not taking class.
Okay. I am going. See you after the class. My brother killed him because of this reason. Now police is searching my brother.
Cut. 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 Your face expression should be real.
Hello. Who is this? Yes, I am Sana. Okay, I will be there tomorrow. Sarah, I told you I send my photo shoot to one of the director. And yesterday they called me. I have to go there today evening.
Sana. See. Be careful. This industry look very attractive. But it's different.
I am very excited. Pray for me. I don't want to miss this chance. My dream comes true.